Hello and welcome to another cool YouTube video. In this video, we discuss about JavaScript's array. We discuss about why you should use JavaScript array, what is JavaScript array, and what is the benefit of using JavaScript array. Everything about JavaScript array in this tutorial. So let's start. So JavaScript array class is a global object that is used in the construction of array, which are high-level list-like objects. The JavaScript array are used to store multiple values inside a single variable. If we have a list of numbers, storing the numbers in a single variable, or we can say we have a list of some fruits, list of some cars, list of some numbers. List can be anything which determines the characteristics of your object. So if we have a list of fruits, so what about if we have a list of three fruits? So we can create three variables which specify these three fruits. But what about if we have not three fruits, we have 300 fruits? So can we create 300 variables? The answer is no. I will show you the demonstration of this also, that why array are so much important to required. But what is an array? An array can hold many values under a single name, and by this way you can create an array. So I'm at the point first that why you should use array. So if we have some fruit names, so if we create first fruit name, that is orange. Similarly, this variable and we copy paste this line. Similarly, we have a second variable fruit 2, fruit 3, fruit 4. So we have these four type of fruits here: apple, orange, apple, banana, and we can name any fruits. So we have these four fruits. But what is the question? But the question is that if we have these 300 fruits, can we copy paste this line 300 times? Answer is absolutely not. We have lists, so we create a list of fruits here. Within these brackets, I will zoom this. So inside this we have to pass the name of our fruits. So there are my fruits: orange, apple, banana. So this is a list of fruit names which contains three items in this. Orange, apple, banana are fruit names, and we print this console.log fruit names. Save your file and run it. HTML file running. So you can see we got the output, and that is orange, apple, banana. That's how you can access a list of fruit names in this case. So orange, apple, banana are your items in this fruit names. You can pass 100 parameters, 100 items also, 300 fruit names also. That is easy to use, and a declaration in each item can span multiple lives. I will show you. If we use this too much spaces in this, there is no problem in this. It will not show you any error. So that is the one of the important point. Like if we use three spaces, it's not that it doesn't depend upon that one space is there or two spaces there. You can pass any spaces. Now run it again, please. Now you can see we have 6 items in this: orange, apple, banana, cherry, yogurt, and strawberry. Now the next question is how to access the element in array. Yes, if we want to access the particular item like banana or cherry, so we use this index position 0. Yes, we can also pass some string names here. So how you can access the index, like the same way this orange is at index position 0. I will write down this for you. Orange at index position 0, apple at index position 1, banana at index position 2, this cherry is at index position 3, and yogurt, this is at index position 4, and the strawberry is at the index position 5. So 6 items are there, and index positions are starting from 0, from left to right. I will delete this line. You must write down this, that how you can access the index. So if we index position 0, when we run our this, we can see we get the output, and that is 0 because fruit names index position 0 is orange. I will write down these lines as a comment that 0 index position is orange and 5 is index position is strawberry. If we use index position 4 as an output, so which is yogurt, so we get the yogurt in the output. Run it, refreshing it, and now you can see we got the output yogurt. That's how you can access the elements in this. Now we talk about the loops. Yes, now we talk about how you can use loops in this. So before starting with loops, you have to understand what question. What is the length of this list? What is the length of your list, this fruit names? Or we can say the length of list equal to number of elements in your list. So how many items are there? 6 items are there, or 6 elements are there, so the length of the list is 6. Length of the list is equal to number of elements. So how you can find out the length of your list? So we use fruit names, that is the name of my list, dot length. This will return you the length of your list. Save your file and run it. Now you can see we got the output 6. So the length of your list is 6. So the length of your array is 6. Now the next, there is another way to calculate the length, which is the maximum index position plus 1. What is the maximum index position of this list is 5. So 5 plus 1, and that is 6, which is equal to the length. That's how you can access the length of your list. Now we talk about the loops. So the easiest way to use is the for loops. So we use for loops. So for let I equal to 0, a starting point, and the ending point is the fruit names dot length, that is the 6. So I 0 to 6, and each time we are incrementing it I plus pluses, and now we access every element one by one. So we say console.log fruit names and index position I. So the loop is iterating again and again, and it will show you the output of each item in a line. So running your file, and now you can see we got orange, apple, banana, cherry, yogurt, strawberry. These are your outputs. That's how you can apply a for loop. Now the next question and the final one is that how you can use if else statements in your this. Yes, now the next question is that how you can use the if else statement. So for using if else statement, we pass here a condition inside a loop. So if fruit names index position I is equal to, if fruit names index position I equal to yogurt, so if your fruit name list contain the name yogurt, then we will print the name of the fruit. And after this point, we apply a break statement that if the yogurt fruit name is found, the loop is stopped. After that point, the loop will not execute again. And if the else block code is not founded, then in the else block we say console.log not founded. Save your file again and running your HTML file. This piece of code is correct, so save your file and now run your HTML file again. Okay, so we got 4 time output not founded, but when the yogurt is founded, the loop is not executing again. It will stop at that point. That means everything is fine at that point. What about if we use no any break statement? So you can see if we don't use break statement after yogurt, we get not founded. And if we apply break statement in else block, now you can see we got only not founded one time. That if the not founded is found, it will stop at that point. That is all about how you can access that is all about the lists. In the next video, we discuss about the list methods. So you can create a list of numbers, cars, anything. You can create a list of both numbers and cars also. That is all about this tutorial. In the next video, we discuss about the lists method. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning video. Thank you for watching.